Hi everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to show you how I went about creating these super cool neon color nails using SheModern's brand new neon powder colors. These are the three colors that I chose. Check them out. This is the green, the orange, yeah, super neon orange, and then this purple. So yeah, you're going to see how I go about doing that in two of my nails. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here is the final result after I cleaned up and applied top coat. Now one thing that I want to mention, there's a couple of things. If you notice these neon powders, they are so pigmented. They appear to stain your skin, but they do not stain at all. They were super easy to clean around the cuticle with acetone, and yeah, it left nothing behind. So that was super easy. And another thing that I want to mention, so you will notice on the pictures that I'm going to leave you with, because the neons, unlike the glow in the dark, obviously these glow in the light, more so under the UV lamp, and you will see my photos. Now one thing that you will notice, my index finger appears to keep, you see more of its true colors, while you see the neon very obvious under the lamp, while these three, you can see them kind of glowing, but they look somewhat muted compared to my index. And when I first took the photos and I was looking at them, I was like, what is that happening? And I know why. Let me tell you. So when I did these three nails and I had my white base, I knew I was going to stamp over them. So to have somewhat of a tacky layer for my stamp to stick, I apply my yellow stopper on these 3 nails. And the yellow stopper, you know, this is a UV protection type of, if you notice, I mean, this kind of glows purple under the sun, under the UV light. So that's what you see it. So because it's under the neon powder, it comes through. And on this one, I did not apply it at all. I went straight, the powder, I put the powder straight onto the foil glue after it had dried on my white base. So that made a big difference. I wanted to bring that up because you will notice that on the pictures that I will leave you with. So that is it, you guys. I want to thank SheModern for sending me these products to play with and review. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.